Hi everyone! So I have a tiny little Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. Nothing too important in the beginning. I just needed some cleaning gloves, which they were really hard to find. Is anybody else struggling to find things? Like, I kept looking for cleaning gloves and I couldn't find them for the longest time. And like my hairspray, I can't find my hairspray. It's driving me crazy. So I don't know what's going on. But y'all know I hate pink. I got that for my mom so that way she knows those are hers. And then these are mine. And then I love socks with like little characters. And I thought these were so cute. I love using Obe with like my seafood and doing like a boil little mix. Oh my gosh, so good. Tons of garlic and potato. Oh, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. So yummy. And then my niece is like obsessed with everything being hot and spicy. So I got these for her. I'm going to save it for her stocking for Christmas. And then Sunny Boy loves the Swedish Fish candy. That's like one of his top favorites. So I got that for him for his stocking. And then I just need some more cleaning supply stuff. My mom and I bought new cars. So I need to go ahead and, just keep up with the maintenance of them and having them looking shiny and pretty. So that's what I really wanted the gloves and that for. Then I had been looking for Christmas stockings at the Dollar Tree and I couldn't find them, so they finally came out. I didn't see any Minnie, surprisingly. They had Mickey, they had Minions, they had, I don't remember what the other one was. Like a cat or something, some kind of like young cartoon. I don't know what it was. And those were the only character ones that I saw. I was really surprised. I really thought that there would have been like a Minnie Mouse in there also. I know last year they had Baby Yoda, but I didn't see any of those this time. So I got those two. And this one is really cute because look, it actually has like snowflakes embossed on the stocking. I just thought that was really, really cute. I do want to try to do more like shop with me videos because I am going to try to slow down on my spending. But I don't know, I was just really feeling shy not feeling it today, so maybe next time. I gotta work my way up to it. I got this cork adhesive sheet because I was looking for this during October because I want to do like potion bottles and dies, I should say. I want to do like potion bottle dies, and it had like a cork for the top. So instead I used like a silver, but I would have thought this would have been really, really cute to use for that. So now, of course, I don't need it. They have it. So I'm going to put this in my Halloween box. So that way I can hopefully find it next year. And then if you guys saw my video, was it yesterday? I think it was. My mom's been making these little dolls and she's been using these little doll eyes for them. And she burns the back of the plastic to kind of like smush it down so it just really stays. And she needed another lighter, so I got her that. Okay, these things I am still finding, you guys. I think I got like another 5 today and they're only $1/4. So if you see these 3D sticker stories, have them check it and scan it. If you're like, oh, can you price check this? They're gonna say like it's $1.25 because they did that to me again today and it ended up being $1/4. So the ones that are like this with like the little 3D glasses and the sticker and then this like little book in the back, they're only $1/4. I think I bought in the past Mickey, the princess, and dinosaurs. I think that's all that they've had, but today I found like another like 5 Mickeys. So I snatched those up. They're only $1/4. I could definitely use this for our Disney cruise gift exchange stuff. So yeah, if you find these, good little stocking stuffers for the kids. Really, really nice to find those. And then I was really surprised that they had these storage containers again. I love these things. So I was good. I only bought 2. Like I said, I'm trying to be better. I already have 4. So just another 2 is me being really, really good because I wanted to honestly buy them all out. I love doing projects. So that way, and they stack nicely. You can see right here, there's like a little like lip, like a little edge, so they will stack nicely and stay sturdy. I like can't sit there and just work on one thing, so I'll have many things going on. So like I'll start die cutting bows and I'll put it in one of these cases, and then I'll stick like literally everything in there, like the die cut bows, the die, then I'll stick like the glue gun in here with the glue sticks. And, if I'm doing like charms or whatever else, I'll throw it all in one box so I have it all together. And then, I'll stick like another project in here. So that way when I'm done focusing on like my bows, you know, because I usually make a lot at once. I don't just do like 1 or 2 bows even if I only need to. And then in this one, you know, I'll throw something else. Like I'll throw like beads in and my tools for that. So yeah, that's kind of how I work, is kind of like scattered all over the place. So I love having these so I can have different projects going all at one time. So that's why I got another 2 of those. And then back to the Christmas section, they had these clay ornaments again. I literally bought a box of these last year because I could not find them anywhere. And the only new one I see this year is, I think there's a couple. So this one I believe is the same as last year. I need to pull my box out because I do have a couple left, but I did go ahead and buy one just because I wanted to double check if it was the same. So it was this candy cane with this gnome. So I don't remember if last year has this bow on there or not, but there was that one. There were these gingies that I loved, and there was only one, and it's the girl and the boy. So I definitely would have bought more of these because I don't remember these from last year. And then they had the little elves, which I don't think were like this. I feel like it was like an elf and maybe a penguin last year. So again, I didn't want to go crazy. I'm trying to be good. But yeah, I think this one might be different. And then they had snowmen, which is so, so cute. I only got one of those. I definitely wanted to buy a bunch of these. But like I said, I'm trying to be good. So I'm very proud of myself that I only bought one of each of those. And then my last little items here is, you guys are going to hear me talking a lot about my Disney cruise and how that goes. So we are going to decorate our door. I decorate every year, every cruise that we go on. So I found this little wreath. It's not very big and not very fluffy. So I was thinking about going to Walmart and buying like a little maybe garland to like wrap it to make it a little bit thicker. So I got the larger size, and then I got the 2 smaller sizes. Oh man, how did it get smashed? I'm gonna have to like work that out. So I got the larger one and 2 smaller ones because I was thinking it would make a cute Mickey. You can't see in this frame, but I thought I'd make a cute Mickey wreath. But I definitely want to like thicken up. It's too thin for me. I like everything nice and chunky like myself. So that's what I bought. Oh, and they had it's so funny, they now had a really cute bag. Look at this. Really cute Disney Halloween bag, so I had to get that one. So somebody else had posted that their store, if you found Halloween, was actually like half off. I didn't see any at my store, but you know, I'm late to the game. What's today, like the 8th, I think? So yeah, I'm late to going shopping. So if it was, you know, half off, everybody else already went in and bought it all up. And they are like, boom, boom, bringing out a bunch of Christmas. Oh, I forgot the wrapping paper in the trunk. It's so cute. I found Nightmare Before Christmas wrapping paper at Dollar Tree, you guys. I was so mind blown that they had it there. It's funny because I went to Walmart actually looking for Nightmare Before Christmas wrapping paper, and I didn't find any. So stay tuned. I'm going to run out to the car and I'll show you guys the wrapping paper next. So as you guys know, I'm a Disney fanatic, so I had to pick up all the Disney paper they had at Dollar Tree. So they had this Baby Yoda. They had this blue Mickey. They had a black Nightmare Before Christmas, which now looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, there's a couple snowflakes. I would say it doesn't even look Christmassy, so I probably could have got this for like all year. And then there's this one that I love, this red one. I thought was so cute. I love that they're like carrying the presents. And then this one has like all the characters on it. This one is super cute. It has a couple snowflakes and a couple candy canes. I love it. I'm so stoked that I found those. So that's everything I got today from Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.